57, we've done 57 k's now.
Yeah. Is Jody coming?
Oh, what a great ride this
is. That last bit, wasn't it? The countryside was
beautiful, isn't it?
Magnificent.
I can see that there's a lot of Hmong where I'm from, and I see now why, because this is what it looks like. I mean, they're not, but I mean they're settled in an area that looks a lot like this, not jungle, but hills, mountains and hills. I used to play soccer against teams that were all Hmong.
Really?
Fast.
I've heard they play dirty.
I saw them break the kids' legs there.
Yeah.
They had the red Hmong and the white Hmong.
Yeah. Hey,
Oh, keep up and up!
Better get it off, get it to fucking start them up to get them off.
yeah, just go straight off it, okay?
We're at the top of the hill, you should ignore the top, turn right and keep going. Okay. He'll take care of the top. Whoops.
What am I?
Well, you're on video now. Is there anything you'd like to say for yourself? Maybe you could say that you're taking your pills.
Definitely taking the pills. Had a lot of fun so far. And the riding's been good. Food, good the other day. Got progressively worse.
Right, so thank you very much. We'll move along, Mr. Condra. Anything you've got to say for yourself?
I can't lift my arm past here. I can't move this wrist. But I'm a happy camper.
It's been a good trip. Enjoyable. It's only been one thorn in the leg, and that's a guy called Michael Golding.
Oh yeah, and Chris, who we left 30 kilometers in. Sorry, Chris.
Regards to Chris.